Okay, so you tried everything possible to get your Gmail to work, but it's not working, correct? And you made sure IMAPS was on, you did the reCAPTCHA, you basically did everything that it says on the internet to do. Well, this is what's going on. Google and Gmail, they're the same thing. They're owned by the same company. Google, who owns Gmail, basically stopped giving out more than 15 gigabytes of storage. So this morning, I'm going through my emails, and I noticed that I have not received any emails since Sunday. And I'm like, what's going on? They only allow you up to 15 gigabytes of space. So what you basically have to do is either clear up space. As you can see, I have a lot of, Gmail, a lot of photos, things like that, 17.27. So mine went over that, over the 15 gigabytes that they give you. And basically, what you have to do is you have to pay $1.99 a month. It gives you 100 gigabytes of space that you can use for your photos, your Google Drive, and your Gmail. As you can see, Gmail is my largest one because I run a sports Instagram page, and I get a lot of clients through that. And I send out a lot of videos, emails, just basic stuff that's going to take up a lot of space. And right now I have about 300,000 emails. So instead of going through and deleting all of them, if you have $1.99, you go. And that's my Instagram up top if you want to check it out. But you go, and what you do is you just buy the cheapest one. It's $1.99. It gives you 100 gigabytes of storage. Because if you hit this threshold of 15 gigabytes, and you don't have Google's new, they just started doing this in 2021, I believe. If you don't have enough storage on your Google account, you'll no longer be able to receive or send any emails. So check this out. Go to google.com, and what you're going to do is you're going to check your account. And then you click on your account, manage your account. Okay, and right here it will say account storage. And if it says that you're over the amount, see, I bought Google One, so it no longer says that, but it used to say that. So if it says that you're over the amount, that's why you're not receiving any emails. I hope this helped. So, in other words, you have to delete all your emails and free up some space because you can't have more than 15 gigabytes if you're not paying. Or you can come to this page, click on your account storage, add a family member, all that stuff, download Google One, free up account storage, add family members, all that stuff. But basically, it's going to give you an option to purchase. You can get 100 gigabytes for $1.99, 200 gigabytes for $2.99. And then, let's see. Yeah, I'm not trying to go through my stuff right now. But basically, yeah, it's cool. And also, you have the ability to talk with Google and get help from them. Sorry, I have an iPhone. What am I doing? Okay, so after you do that, you download this. They have benefits, 40% off hotels. That's pretty cool. They have support, chat. You could chat with them immediately. Find out what's going wrong with your Google Photos, Gmail, any Google products, and more. So check it out. This is why you are no longer receiving emails to your Gmail. Have a great day. Hope this helped. If it did, click like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.